Did you know that looking at your phone for just 5 seconds while driving at highway speed is the same as covering an entire football field with your eyes completely closed? Yeah, that's terrifying. And that's exactly why a solid phone mount isn't just a convenience anymore. It's a straight-up safety essential. We've all been there. Flimsy plastic clips that wobble, sag, or suddenly give up mid-turn, launching your expensive phone under the pedals. That heart-stopping moment. We're ending it today. In this video, we're breaking down the top 6 vent phone mounts on Amazon, comparing them head-to-head for stability, speed, airflow, design, and real-world usability, so you can find the perfect co-pilot for every drive. From ultra-secure mechanical clamps to lightning-fast MagSafe mounts, we're covering it all. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your driving style. And don't worry. All the links are in the description, so you can check prices and compatibility easily. Let's get started and eliminate the phone drop panic for good. Frick Crocs. On number 6, Lamicall car vent, phone mount, air vent clip holder. Let's kick things off with the Lamicall car vent phone mount, a minimalist powerhouse that proves you don't need to overspend to get serious stability, especially if your top priority is rock-solid mechanical grip and universal compatibility. What truly sets this mount apart is its upgraded metal hook vent clip, which physically locks onto your air vent blade, delivering dramatically better hold than cheap friction-based plastic clips that loosen over time. This gives Lamicall a big advantage over generic mounts, especially when handling heavier phones, like iPhone Pro Max models or thick rugged cases. In real-world driving, that grip translates into confidence. Sharp turns, potholes, speed bumps, and sudden braking barely phase it, keeping your phone firmly planted and distraction-free. The clamp arms are lined with soft silicone padding, protecting your device while maintaining a vice-like hold. And the 360-degree ball joint lets you switch between landscape navigation and portrait calls instantly. Compared to magnetic mounts like Belkin, Lamicall sacrifices instant snap-on convenience for universal compatibility, meaning it works flawlessly with any phone, any case, no magnetic rings required. While it does block a bit of airflow, something most vent mounts can't fully avoid, its compact footprint keeps that disruption minimal. Against higher-priced competitors like VICSEED, Lamicall offers slightly less brute force durability, but wins massively on price-to-performance value. If reliability, affordability, and universal fit matter more than flashy tech, this mount absolutely delivers. So let me ask you, would you choose guaranteed mechanical stability, or do you prefer the speed of magnetic mounts? Drop your thoughts in the comments. On number 5, iOttie Easy One, Touch Advanced Air Vent Car Phone Mount. Next up is the iOttie Easy One Touch Advanced Mount, and this one is all about effortless speed and premium usability. If you're constantly hopping in and out of your car, this mount can seriously change your daily driving experience. Its patented Easy One Touch mechanism is the star of the show. Simply press your phone against the center trigger, and the arms automatically clamp shut around your device. No squeezing, no fiddling, no two-hand juggling. In real-world use, it feels incredibly smooth and intuitive, saving seconds every time you mount your phone, which adds up quickly. The twist lock vent clip delivers solid stability, though it doesn't quite match the raw mechanical grip of metal hook designs like Lamicall or Blukar. Build quality is premium, with durable plastic, rubberized gripping surfaces, and a sleek aesthetic that blends beautifully into modern dashboards. One of the most underrated features here is the built-in magnetic cable organizer, which keeps charging cables neatly in place. A small detail that makes a big difference during daily commuting. Compared to Holdersafe, iOttie prioritizes speed over airflow preservation, and against Belkin, it offers universal compatibility rather than MagSafe exclusivity. While it sacrifices a bit of absolute rigidity for convenience, the ease of use factor makes it unbeatable for drivers who prioritize fast docking above all else. So here's a question. Would you trade a little stability for ultra-fast, one-touch mounting? Let me know. Davarsh. On number 4, Holdersafe air vent cell, phone mount, never blocking. If blocked airflow drives you crazy, the Holdersafe air vent mount is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. Literally. This mount is uniquely engineered to keep your vent unobstructed, using a smart adjustable rail system and extended stainless steel hook to push the phone away from the vent grill. That means your AC and heating performance remain intact, which is a massive win during scorching summers and freezing winters. Stability is impressive thanks to its metal hook clip and reinforced clamp arms, comfortably holding even bulky phones with massive cases. The silicone-lined grips absorb vibrations and maintain a steady hold on bumpy roads, while one-handed operation makes mounting and removal effortless. Compared to iOttie, Holdersafe sacrifices auto-clamping convenience for airflow preservation and mechanical strength. Against VICSEED, it trades brute force durability for better vent comfort. While its articulated design sticks out slightly more visually, the payoff in airflow is absolutely worth it for drivers who rely heavily on climate control. If you constantly run navigation apps and depend on strong AC, this design could be a total game changer. So what matters more to you? Airflow or instant mounting speed? Drop your answer below. Saturfiu. On number 3, VICSEED 2026 Upgrade Ultra Stable Car Phone Holder Mount. Now we reach the absolute tank of this lineup, the VICSEED 2026 Ultra Stable Mount, purpose-built for maximum durability and zero movement. If stability is your number one concern, this mount means business. Built from aviation-grade PC-CABS materials and reinforced metal components, VICSEED focuses on long-term endurance, with testing ratings of over 20,000 clamp cycles and extreme temperature resistance. In daily use, the stability is unmatched. Sharp turns, aggressive braking, rough terrain, nothing shakes it loose. Its metal hook clip locks firmly onto the vent blade, while thick silicone padding ensures your phone stays secure and scratch-free. Compared to Blukar, VICSEED offers similar mechanical grip, but adds superior materials and reinforced durability. Against Holdersafe, it trades airflow optimization for raw strength, and versus iOttie, it sacrifices convenience for extreme reliability. This is the mount for delivery drivers, rideshare operators, truck drivers, or anyone who drives long hours and needs absolute trust that their phone isn't going anywhere. So be honest. Is ultimate durability worth paying a bit more for? Let me know what you think. Blukar. On number 2, Blukar Car Phone Holder Mount. Super Stable Air Vent Mount. Coming in hot at number 2 is the Blukar Car Phone Holder Mount, and this one hits the sweet spot between affordability and mechanical stability. Featuring a 2025 upgraded metal hook clip, it securely screws onto your vent blade, dramatically reducing vibration and wobble. Real-world driving stability is outstanding, easily rivaling higher-priced mounts like VICSEED, while maintaining a friendlier price point. The clamp arms use soft silicone padding to protect your device while absorbing road vibrations. And the one-button quick-release system makes docking and removing your phone incredibly smooth and safe. Compared to Lamicall, Blukar adds faster one-handed operation. Against VICSEED, it offers nearly the same stability at a lower cost, and versus iOttie, it prioritizes grip over automated convenience. This is one of the best all-around vent mounts available today, especially for commuters who want premium stability without premium pricing. So, let me ask you, is this the perfect balance between price and performance? On number 1, Belkin MagSafe Vent Mount Pro MagSafe Phone Mount for Car. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Belkin MagSafe Vent Mount Pro, delivering the cleanest, fastest, and most seamless mounting experience for iPhone users. Built exclusively for MagSafe-compatible devices, this mount eliminates bulky clamp arms entirely, replacing them with an instant magnetic snap that feels downright futuristic. Mounting your phone becomes effortless. Just bring it close, and it locks perfectly into alignment. The sleek aluminum finish and minimalist design blend beautifully into modern car interiors, giving your dashboard a premium look. Stability is excellent for MagSafe phones, though it doesn't match the brute force grip of mechanical clamps like Blukar or VICSEED when driving extremely rough roads. Compared to iOttie, Belkin offers far faster mounting but sacrifices universal compatibility. Against mechanical mounts, it trades heavy-duty grip for ultra-clean aesthetics and unmatched convenience. While it lacks wireless charging, the elegance, speed, and seamless MagSafe integration still make it the top choice for iPhone users who value simplicity and design. So tell me, is MagSafe convenience worth giving up universal compatibility? Per se, head-to-head comparison. Which one is better? Here's the thing. The best mount depends entirely on how you drive and what you value most. If you want maximum durability and absolute stability, VICSEED is your tank. If you want the best stability at a lower price, Blukar delivers insane value. If airflow matters most, Holdersafe is unmatched. If the speed and convenience are your priorities, iOttie takes the crown. And if you use a MagSafe iPhone, nothing beats Belkin's elegance and instant snap-on experience. No matter your driving style, there's a perfect match waiting for you. And that wraps up our deep dive into the top 6 vent phone mounts you can buy right now. From budget-friendly mechanical clamps to premium MagSafe elegance, the right choice comes down to your priorities: stability, speed, airflow, or design. Whichever one fits your lifestyle, remember, all the links are in the description, so you can grab the best deal today. If this video saved your phone from even one dangerous drop, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and drop a comment telling me which mount you'd choose. Drive safe, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one.